Hello friends, I'm David Schreiner, President and CEO of KSB Hospital, and today I'm here with Dr. Joe Welty. Joe is a family medicine physician as well as a member of the KSB Hospital Board of Directors. Dr. Welty, thank you for taking time to meet with me today.
You're welcome.
So let's talk about that patient that is sitting at home and wondering, should I go see my doctor? What advice can you give them?
Great question. I think the best advice that I can give them, Dave, is if you have something going on that you would have seen your doctor for before the onset of COVID-19, you should come and see them now for that. We are keeping our office areas safe and doing everything we can to make that visit a comfortable one for you.
And so you mentioned keeping our visit safe. How are we doing that in the KSB Medical Group, not only in your office, but across the continuum?
Sure. So the very first thing we're doing is when patients call for an appointment, we are screening them for their symptoms. We want to know if they have symptoms ongoing that might be suggestive of COVID-19. And if they do, we of course have our drive-through testing facility available to them to have that done. If it has nothing to do with COVID-19, then when patients present to our offices, first of all, they are being screened at our front door with a series of questions and having their temperature taken. If they pass that mark, then we're making every effort to have them get from our registration to an exam room without having to stop in a waiting room for any lengthy period of time. I might add that from the very beginning, we spaced all the furniture out in our waiting rooms at least 6 feet apart to achieve the social distancing.
And you mentioned that screening process that our patients go through at the entrance of all of our clinics and the hospital. Our staff go through that as well, right?
That is correct. Anyone that enters any of our entry points into our buildings go through that process daily. And I might add that our staff is also having their temperature checked at least a second time every day to ensure that there aren't anything going on that might suggest they have the disease.
So thank you, Dr. Welty, for taking the time to meet with me. Just as we have been for 125 years, KSB Hospital is here for you. We want to take care of the issues that you have, and our professional staff is here to do that. Thanks so much for everything that you're doing.
You're welcome, and we look forward to seeing you soon.
Thank you.